Encountering an invalid zip code error on Mint Mobile, it usually boils down to a mismatch between your billing zip and service zip. Your billing zip must precisely match the address linked to your payment method, like your credit card or bank account, to prevent fraud and ensure payment processing. Your service zip is the zip code where you'll primarily use Mint Mobile's service. Mint Mobile uses this to confirm coverage in your area, as T-Mobile's network signal strength varies by location. To fix this, double-check for typos, ensure your address is up to date in Mint Mobile's portal, and use Mint Mobile's coverage map to confirm service availability in your area. To resolve the invalid zip code error, first update your address details in the Mint Mobile app or website and retry the action. If the issue persists, contact Mint Mobile support via the app, email, or phone with proof of address like a utility bill. For payment issues, re-enter your card details with the correct billing zip. If you face service zip errors, contact Mint Mobile's customer service or try using the Mint Mobile or T-Mobile website to check the coverage in your area and see if that zip code supports the service. Note, Mint Mobile is progressively implementing advanced geolocation and AI-based address validation for minimizing zip code errors. The shift toward digital wallets, e.g. Apple Pay, Google Pay, also helps auto-verify billing details.